Hello friends. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are shining the spotlight on the astonishing pumpkin seed oil. Get ready to unlock its amazing benefits, from hormone balance to heart health, and discover how this nutrient-dense oil can transform your well-being. Let's dive in. Unlocking the power of pumpkin seed oil, your key to better health. Did you know a single ingredient can transform your health naturally? Pumpkin seed oil is a true superfood, packed with nutrients your body craves. From boosting immunity to promoting glowing skin, this oil is a health enthusiast's dream. Let's dive into its amazing benefits you can't afford to miss. Pumpkin seed oil is loaded with vitamins and minerals like magnesium, zinc, vitamin E, and omega fatty acids. These nutrients work wonders for your body, improving heart health, balancing hormones, and even aiding restful sleep. It's a simple, natural solution for an all-around healthier lifestyle. But that's not all. This oil is also a great source of antioxidants, which help fight free radicals, reducing inflammation and slowing down the aging process. Who doesn't want to look and feel younger while staying healthy? Wondering how pumpkin seed oil can work its magic? For starters, the healthy fats in this oil promote heart health by reducing bad cholesterol and maintaining healthy blood pressure. Your heart will thank you for adding this miracle ingredient to your life. Its zinc and magnesium content plays a key role in improving mood, managing stress, and ensuring you get high-quality sleep. Imagine waking up refreshed every morning thanks to a few drops of pumpkin seed oil in your daily diet. Pumpkin seed oil isn't just for your insides. Rich in vitamin E, it hydrates your skin, promotes elasticity, and helps you achieve that youthful glow. It also prevents hair breakage and supports scalp health, giving you stronger, shinier hair over time. A win-win for your beauty routine. For those struggling with acne or dry patches, pumpkin seed oil's anti-inflammatory properties can help calm your skin. It's a natural, chemical-free way to improve skin health and feel confident in your appearance. Your gut is the cornerstone of your overall health, and pumpkin seed oil can be a key player in supporting digestion. With its healthy fats and plant-based nutrients, it aids in smoother digestion and nourishes your gut microbiome, a win for better immunity and nutrient absorption. Whether you drizzle it over salads or include it in a smoothie, pumpkin seed oil is a simple, delicious way to take care of your digestive system without relying on heavy supplements. Ready to enjoy these incredible benefits? Incorporating pumpkin seed oil into your lifestyle is surprisingly easy. Use it to drizzle over salads, mix it into soups, or add it as a finishing touch to roasted veggies. Its nutty flavor complements various dishes without overpowering them. You can even blend it into smoothies for a nutrition boost or take it as a supplement. Just remember, pumpkin seed oil works best when used raw to preserve its nutrients. Avoid cooking it at high heat to retain all its goodness. Not all pumpkin seed oils are created equal. Look for cold-pressed, organic pumpkin seed oil to ensure you're getting the most nutrients with zero fillers or chemicals. Opt for oils in dark glass bottles to protect them from light and preserve their freshness. Read the label carefully and stick to trusted, high-quality brands. This small effort will make a big difference in reaping maximum health benefits from your purchase. Your body deserves the best. Pumpkin seed oil is more than just a trendy ingredient, it's a life changer. Whether you're looking to improve digestion, boost heart health, or enhance your skin and hair, this powerhouse product has you covered. Simple, natural, and versatile, it's the key to a healthier you. Don't wait. Start your pumpkin seed oil journey today and unlock your full health potential. Share this video with fellow health enthusiasts, try these tips in your routine, and experience the transformation firsthand. Your best self is just a drop away. This information is for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult with a qualified healthcare provider before starting any new supplement or making significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. Thanks for watching and see you next time.